Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my family room and I've cleaned it all. I've taken everything off the tables and the sofas and the breakfast area table, and I've cleaned everything around here. And what I'm going to be doing today is decorating for the winter months. Now, as you see, the pictures on the wall here, I haven't taken them down. I am in the process of finding something to put in place of these pictures and changing it up. But for now, it's going to stay the same. But the rest of the room is going to be in winter colors. These things, I'm going to try to make them appear a little more wintry until I could take down the teal colors and finish it up. I have something in mind for both those pictures, and I'm looking online, and I've found something I like, but I haven't gotten a chance to order it yet. So I am working on that, but I'm going to be decorating, and I'm going to let you follow me through all the steps. That's why I cleaned before getting started, because it would take too long to clean and to decorate the way I want to do it today. So I'm going to be doing it, and I want you to be with me while I'm in the process. I'm also going to be decorating my breakfast area over there, and I'm going to show you how I emptied everything off the table and the server, so that I could just start all over. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I want you to be on that journey with me. I'm going to be moving around the room quite a bit, but I'm going to start over here at my fireplace because that's my focal point, and I'm going to be putting some dark colors around the teal color wall treatments that I have. So it's to make it a little bit more fall color. So I'm starting with the fireplace, and I'm putting some these decorations around it, and they're basically black. So everything that I'm putting up here now will have some black design in it, just like my fireplace cover. Here, I wanted to take a moment to show you how I purchase covers for my pillows, which is much more reasonable in price to just recover your pillows than to buy new pillows. So I'm taking a moment out. One of the pillows I didn't cover purposely so I could show you how easy it is to buy a pillow cover. And usually if you get 18 by 18, you would be using that to cover a 20 by 20 pillow, because if the pillow is a little larger than the pillow cover, it will fill it out more and puff it up and make it look just much more nicer when it's full. So I took the time out to show you how you just bend it in half and you insert it into the pillow cover, and then you spread it out, and it comes up really fluffy and nice. And then you can pat it down or keep it fluffy, depending on the way you like it. But it's much more reasonable to buy pillow covers than to buy new pillows. So I just wanted to share that with you. I cleaned each one of my sofa pillows with my new vacuum cleaner this morning, and now I'm just fluffing my pillows up again before I put the new pillows that I'm going to decorate with. So that's what I'm doing right now, just fluffing up my pillows a little. And I want you to know that I'm using 3 colors on the sofa. One is taupe, one is brown, and then the other small one that came with the sofa are cream colors. And the taupe is also in my rug on my floor. The brown is all through the room with the furniture. But those are good winter colors. So I'm using taupe, and you'll see taupe in my rug. I got brown, and then the cream is the primary color because my sofa is cream, and I have small cream pillows to go with that. And as you can see, I'm trying to keep a cohesion of colors together in the room with browns and creams, and taupe is kind of like the standout color along with that teal that's still in the room. But it just brings it together pretty well with the colors. And here I'm decorating my coffee table, and I'm going to try to keep it simple with one basic color, and that's going to be cream color. And I found a very pretty vase and a tray that matches, and it's mother of pearl. And it was really pretty with the colors with cream and light and dark cream inside of it. And I'm going to decorate all the decoration on the table with of the same color. Okay, guys, I completed the family room for winter 2024 with some very simple, basic colors for my decoration. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Give me some comments, give me some suggestions, give me some just ideas of things that you think I should be doing. And next, I'm going to move on to the breakfast area, and I'm going to make the breakfast table just with some little simple decorations. Basically, I want to keep it in the same colors that I'm using in this family room. So just stay with me. Okay, guys, we're in the breakfast area, and I'm going to be decorating this table, this breakfast table, and I'm using the same colors that I used in the family room, with exception to gold. I'm going to add a little gold charger along with the taupe mats, and my plates are cream and black. They may come off looking a little black and white, but in reality, they are cream and black, and I'm going to be using taupe placemats and gold chargers so I can try to keep it close to what's going on in the family room. So I want you to stay with me as I decorate the breakfast table. Okay guys, I've just finished the look for my winter breakfast tablescape. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and give me some comments. Let me know what you feel about this. I will be doing some decoration for the Valentine weekend, and I hope that you join me when I do a tablescape for Valentine. But thank you for watching. May God bless you. May God keep you until we can be together again.